Aisha, hi. Hi, how are you? Fine, are you?
Yeah, so. Well, I wanted to know why are you studying now?
Well, right now I am studying at university.
And which career?
Psychology.
So cool. I would like to study that career the next year. First, I would like to know what was the motivation to study psychologist?
For fears, I think that psychology is a career that you can learn a lot of things about the brain and also about people, how they work and what they feel. So my motivation is to help others, basically.
Okay, pretty cool. Well, I would like to ask you, what topic are you learning now? Like, yeah, what are you studying now?
Right now I'm seeing the central nervous system. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Kind of, because a few days I read about that, and I would like to ask you a few things.
Of course.
Okay, Aisha, I would like to know more about the central nervous system, because you told me before that you are studying that topic now. So, well, tell me about it.
So the central nervous system is composed by the brain and the spinal cord. The skull is what protects the brain and the
Spine. The spine protects the spinal cord.
exactly.
Yeah, and well, I know, but I'm not sure, well, kind of, that the brain is like that important organ in our body that help us to think, to feel emotions. Yeah, it's pretty important to us, well, our brain.
Exactly. The spinal cord is the one that sends that like notifications to the brain so we can react quickly. For example, if I beat you, you react and take off your arm or something like that.
And well, that sounds like reflexes, could be.
Exactly.
Okay, like when, for example, you burn with a hot water, no?
Yes, and your head turns
Yeah.
away.
Okay, it's like our spinal cord always is communicating with our brain to send messages, no?
Exactly.
With
There are like,
neurons, I think so.
yes, and there are like reflexes that are the involuntary, and the other ones are the voluntary.
Yeah.
So the voluntary actions are the ones that we can control, that ones that are voluntary, like talking, walking, and things like playing or move our arms, etc. And that are controlled by the motor cortex.
So the involuntary actions are those that we can't do by our conscious. Yeah? Like, for example, breathing, or heart rate, or digestion. They are controlled only by the spinal cord and the brain, specific regions like the brainstem and the autonomic nervous system that, like how I said before, are actions that we can control by ourselves, are not planificating, is automatic actions.
So the CNS helps to send and receive information through the brain by the spinal cord and help with the voluntary and involuntary movements. Also, it helps to the autonomic nervous system to regulate the heart rate and the digestion and all that stuff.
Other functions about the CNS is that the CNS is involved in, for example, cognitive process, like for example thinking, learning something, memory. And other function is that the CNS is involved too in regulate emotions. And other one, like Aisha said before, is to regulate the body. For example, to regulate the pH, the glucose levels, electrolyte concentration in the body. Thank you, Aisha, for talking with me about that topic, because it's very important to me know about it. So, would you like to go to a coffee?
Yes,